Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michael. I am currently in a high-end residential community in Gaoyao district, Zhaoqing City, Guangdong Province, China. Today's time is 3 p.m. on April 20th, 2029. The weather today is cloudy with light rain. Okay, let's go together. I hope you had a happy and wonderful day ahead.
Okay, let's move on. Here's one of these. A fountain with dry water? Ah, it used to have water. Maybe the device broke later. There's no water. There's only one left. One by one. The device is the same. One by one. The decoration is the same. But it's still pretty. What about the front? Is it the villa area? Is this community divided into two parts? Front is the villa, then the back is the house. And then, what about the front and the back? Are they all shops? All shops. Let's go uptown first. The road is still pretty clean. Swept very clean. The villa here is still under construction. Exterior wall decoration? How about so he goes in? But what about some people? Will he add some bricks in? Oh, take a look. Does he have some bricks there? It's just from the bricks with some exterior walls. It just looks better. More distinctive. And then some people. He is also in the small yard in the backyard. Add a small house. Can you put sundries? There is also a wreath here. There are many here too. Lots of flowers, lots of trees. There are also. See if you can go up and take a look. It seems difficult to get on. What about the community on this side? It's a little older, so we see many flowers of it. Many trees, all of them. It grows a little more lush. Looks comfortable. So what about like this? It's just that there are a lot of garden workers. They spend a lot of time to grow them. Is there a garage inside? Place to put the car. Oh, there's a mountain here. Zhaoqing, that's what the Chinese say. Zhaoqing long right white tiger. Front vermilion bird and back Zuanwu. This Feng Shui pattern. What about his mountain? Is it also exquisite? As a kind of dark mountain. Is it where you live? Surrounded by mountains. Is it okay to hug? Make your family lucky. The human body will be healthy. Is that so? It's just that people like to buy these places. So when he was building meaningful use of these mountains to level again, this flattening, when he built the house, there are some mountains he doesn't move. And let it form this kind of mountain and water hug? This Feng Shui pattern. I am today. It's the first time I've shot this. This kind of street photography is still brute and strenuous. You have to go, you have to shoot slowly. It used to be doing word work at home. Editing, but what? This is relatively speaking. It is more physically demanding. But it's okay. Come out and exercise. Good health and good air. Not very loud. It should be renovating. When decorating, it should be that kind. Make a crack in the wall. Use that big kind of cutting machine. Cut a crack in the wall. And then install the wires. Light tube. Ah, these electric tubes. Still slotting those things? Here is a little flower. Let's take a look. Pink flowers. This residential area here. It should be more than 10 years, because I used to, while working nearby. I knew he was, it has been built here for more than 10 years. A community for more than 10 years. And here on the other side of the old district is the new district. Some retirees are here. In a downstairs. Play chess and chat here. Only hear the sound. Didn't see anyone. The grass here is too prosperous. Is it deep in here? I tried. I'm a little hesitant to come here at night. It's night here. It's just dark. Then all the above are still undeveloped. High mountains. Back piece. It's all mountains, mountains. So at night, we're too scared to go out for a walk. And then these are all taken underground. Some people he made an iron mine. But there is no glass on it. There is this side. Yes. Here, there is. There are no fences here. Anyone can go in. This glass. Maybe people don't live here anymore. Estimate. It's dirty there. Look at those glass tables. Those glass tables are dirty. Maybe no one lives there. Go abroad or live elsewhere. Ah, there used to be a rattan chair here. There is a rattan chair here that seems to be lost. Because it's not so common now. Yes! Like a couple? When he was around 40 years old, he will buy some new houses to live in, improving housing conditions. But maybe 20 or 30 years from now, you can be in your 60s. One after another. Some people start to die. What about after death? Men usually go first. After leaving is to be born. What about the hostess? He wouldn't dare. Living alone in such a big house? He might just live there until a son? Or follow this little girl. If you don't have a son, you can live with your daughter. Slowly, these houses are emptying out. You can see it. He used to work very hard to manage it.